YouTube? It's Herbie with Half More Rebuilds. We back with another video. In today's video, we just picked up the SRT, and I want you guys to be the judge and see how you like it. We did the hood, the fenders, and the bumper, new upgraded bumper from 2016 style to 2017. So now we're gonna just show you the car and see what you guys like, and let's just check it out. We're gonna do a few things on it right now. We're gonna vinyl wrap the SRT in the back on the tow hook. We waiting for the grills to dry, so we didn't put the grills in, but and we put the SRT emblem on the bottom that lights up. We also got to wire that up. So what you guys think so far? Check it out and see how it looks from black hood, messed up fender to new fender and new upgraded fog lights and new upgraded grill with the 3 vents over here. So this is the this is how it looks. It's just dark. It just goes dark. So this is how it looks, and it's a clean job right here. So everything looks good. We just gotta wash it a little bit because it's a little dirty from the body shop, but it's definitely came out beautiful. Paint job is crispy. So now it has the upgraded front. He ordered some rims, so he got some new rims coming on the way, and he's gonna take these off. These 22s that's all scratched up, we're gonna take those off. And today all we're doing is just changing the SRT thing, and we're gonna do the tints on the tail light, right? Yeah. And we're gonna tint the tail lights because we have some pre-cut tints for the tail lights. Also, we already switched this out for the new gloss Jeep, and we took all the stickers off that was there and stuff like that. So now we got Diz working on the piece inside. So let me head inside. Don't mind the mess in here. So we got Diz working on cleaning off this red paint, like nail polish that somebody polished on the SRT side. So they got Diz cleaning it off now. And we're gonna put the fresh SRT in. Diz is playing dominoes at the same time. He got the dominoes here, so whoever wanna challenge him.
Never lost a match.
Never lost a match. So we got the new fresh SRT. Which one are you doing, the white or the?
I'll probably do white for now.
The white? Okay. Yeah, the white's good, but the red for the calipers, the match the calipers would be nice too. Yeah, you can do the fresh red.
Too.
Oh, it's reflective?
Yeah.
So I'll say red.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, that one, yeah, it looked like it's kind of reflective. What else you got? What so let's start working on something, I guess. We should have backed it in. Where you gonna plug that at though? Where does it plug? So we got the Peddle Commander also for the acceleration to make it faster and speed up the acceleration in the car. Where does this plug to though? You know where it plugs to?
The pedal, yeah.
To the pedal?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna do that now. So catch you guys in a second. We're gonna probably plug this up and we're gonna do the tints on the taillights. Come on. That's good. At the end, you just rinse it.
Yeah, hold this one. The nigga blocking the whole camera.
Is the whole headlight? I mean, is the whole tail light?
Mm-hmm.
It's type over, bro. Like,
Oh, what?
it's
I mean, don't put it like trying to cover the edge. Like the white shit.
Like,
Unless you gotta tuck in.
Nah, the nigga just straight put it on.
nah, but why is it too big though, bro? You know what I'm saying?
What do you mean?
It's cut like too big.
Like it goes up here, you see?
Like it's like even this is longer. Like
Nigga, but look, you got more space to push it back.
nah, bro. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Look at it. Give me some more of that spray. Spray some more of that thing.
On the edge?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, trim it of anything. Just spray the whole thing.
Unless you want to try this piece right here.
I don't think so.
That's the driver, bro.
Yeah, nigga, the driver too.
It gotta be that.
No, it's that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that-
It's gotta be this, bro. But it's just that, look, if I put it on the edge, boom, on the edge, look, on the edge, right?
Mhm.
And then this one, it's still over, bro.
Push it back, bro.
It's still over, bro. Look. You gotta trim it, I guess.
Maybe, probably, you gotta tuck it, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
You need a heat gun for that?
You know what I mean? Like, it shouldn't be like, even this is like,
Yeah, you got it on, man.
yeah, but I'm saying, see this?
Yeah, maybe, how you said, you probably gotta tuck that shit.
It's really overcut.
Can we open this shit?
It's a little overcut. Oh, that's fine. You can tuck it.
Yeah.
You wanna open the door? Open the front? You can do the leverage, right?
Okay.
You pushed it. Good boy.
Yeah, it's good. Good. It's the premium commercial graphic series. It's the good stuff.
What it is? Say it again.
Good stuff.
What?
It's
Yeah.
good stuff. It's good.
Wow.
It's the good stuff.
Alright, we got that on. Moving on to this. Anything that. Hold this right here. I mean, put your finger right there, just tight. Nah, move it a little over.
Why you didn't go up more? Yeah, you could have tucked it the rest.
Yeah, but I just don't want it to be. You know what I'm saying? Like,
We just cut it if anything. Where'd I go?
I'm gonna tuck in the edges, right?
there you go. Yeah, Mr. Tucker. Mr.
I'm just
Tucker,
saying.
Tucker, man.
I'm just saying.
Tucker man. Tucker man.
Don't worry, you're gonna have you shining a little bit.
That is. Mr. Tucker man. You want this shit on the edge. Mr. Tucker, man. The edge.
You rip it over, Sam.
Yeah, please. But then you gotta cut this joint?
I guess.
This gotta work.
What you call that pose?
This not giving that work. This that work right here. This the eye of the tiger right here.
Move it over. Yeah.
Nah, you can't go further, bro. This is gonna be short anything. This that work.
It's always gonna mess with your eyes.
Because it's back.
Yeah, it's just the angle. It's the angle that messes with you a lot.
That's good right there. Just heat it up and get it stuck. That should look good.
I'm just following the lining.
Oh, that should look good.
That's actually the hardest piece. It's one of the easiest
I don't
piece.
know, like, feels weird to me.
What?
I feel like this side's too up.
But it's up and it's stuck.
It look good right here though. The line don't look
Nah,
like
if
it
you stand
match.
where I'm at though,
Like even this.
I'm
is
only,
like-
you know why? Because I'm comparing the red bar.
You got another piece anyway. You gotta try it again, man.
That should look good.
It's up and it's stuck.
Yeah.
We're gonna install this Peddle Commander and we're gonna see how it does and see the reaction of it and see if it changes anything. See you in a second. We called it a night today. We finished up the tints on the taillights. We finished up the SRT badge. We put the Peddle Commander in. We're gonna test out the Peddle Commander another time or whenever BJ comes back. So far so good. This is what the taillights finished product looks like. And also we did the SRT, holographic SRT vinyl sticker in there. And the other taillight also tinted. So that's how it looks, y'all. Peace out. Thanks for watching.